In today's video, we're gonna use our slow cooker to make a hot chocolate or a hot cocoa with chocolate chips. I'm also gonna give you a quick and awesome tip on how to make sure the chocolate chips dissolve inside of your slow cooker and they don't get burned. Hey, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I make lots of family-friendly recipes, including this one, as well as cooking tips and school lunch ideas. If that's your jam, hit that red subscribe button so you and I can cook together twice a week. I'm gonna take some of my milk and fill this big dish, and I'm gonna take it and microwave it to heat it up. So here I have about 2 cups of hot milk, and I'm gonna add those to the slow cooker. Now to the hot milk, I'm going to add the chocolate chips. You can use large chocolate chips, mini chocolate chips, whatever rocks your world. And I'm gonna just stir them and mix them. Another helpful tip is to have the slow cooker already heating up, so when you add the chocolate chips in the hot milk, it helps dissolve them right away. By the way, if you find tips like that one helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to include them in my videos for you. I'm pretty happy with how the chocolate chips are dissolving, so at this point, I'm going to add the rest of the milk in the recipe directly in the slow cooker. And I'm gonna keep stirring as I add it, and then to make this hot cocoa rich and creamy, I'm adding just a cup of half and half. You could also use heavy cream, and you wanna stir it really well. And I'm just gonna put my lid over the top. You can set it for 2 to 3 hours on low, or about 45 minutes to an hour on high. Now, because this recipe is made with chocolate chips, you do have to come back from time to time and lift the lid and give your mixture a good stir. Once you don't feel any chocolate chips at the bottom, you're good to go. That ensures that nothing gets burned. And when it's hot and ready to be served, just reduce that heat setting to warm to keep it warm so you can serve it to everyone. You can add the marshmallows directly on top of the slow cooker, and in just 10 minutes, they're gonna get super melty and delish. Or grab a ladle with a spout and fill your mugs all the way to the top, and then add marshmallows, chocolate chips, cocoa powder, whatever rocks your fancy. Grab the recipe below the video. See you next time.